Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on one of the most scenic train journeys in the world. The train ride from Kandy to Ella in Sri Lanka. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, this journey is a must for any traveler looking to experience the natural beauty of the island. The train ride from Kandy to Ella covers 7 to 8 hours of pure beauty. The train snakes through lush green tea plantations, towering mountains, and picturesque villages. You'll pass over bridges suspended over deep valleys and witness waterfalls cascading down rocky cliffs. A highlight of the journey is crossing the famous 9-arch bridge, an architectural marvel surrounded by dense jungle. Throughout the ride, the scenery constantly changes: mist-covered mountains in the morning, open vistas of rolling hills, and golden sunlight filtering through forests in the late afternoon. Many travelers say that this is the best way to immerse yourself in Sri Lanka's rich landscapes. Sri Lanka's trains offer a range of classes to suit every traveler. First class includes air-conditioned cabins with comfortable seating, ideal for a relaxed and quiet experience. These seats often have large windows, perfect for soaking in the views. Second class offers open windows and doors, allowing passengers to feel the breeze and even sit at the open doors for the best panoramic views. This is where you'll get those iconic travel photos. Third class is a more basic option, often crowded, but with plenty of opportunities to engage with locals and fellow travelers. With an impressive 4.8/5 Google rating, travelers rave about the Kandy to Ella train ride. Many describe it as the highlight of their trip to Sri Lanka, with one reviewer calling it the most stunning train journey I've ever taken. Others mention the friendly atmosphere on the train, the opportunity to take amazing photos, and the affordable prices. One of the best things about this train ride is how affordable it is. Prices vary depending on the class. First class, approximate $15 to $20 USD. Second class, approximate $5 to $10 USD. Third class, approximate $2 to $5 USD. Train tickets can be purchased at the station, but it's advisable to book in advance for first class, especially during the high season. The most popular trains depart Kandy around 8:30 a.m. and reach Ella by mid-afternoon. There are also other trains running throughout the day, with frequent service between these two destinations. The morning train is particularly popular for photographers, as the sunlight perfectly illuminates the lush green hills and tea estates. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or someone looking to relax and take in the scenery, the Kandy to Ella train ride is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It's a journey through the heart of Sri Lanka's countryside that will leave you with unforgettable memories and some of the best travel photos. So next time you're in Sri Lanka, be sure to hop aboard and enjoy this world-renowned adventure.